Let's say that I had something like the limit as x approaches 5 from the left of 1 over, let's say, 5 minus x. So this is what I am approaching, and this is what I am. So let's say that I had something like the limit as x approaches 5 from the left of an expression that said, let's say 1 over, how about 5 minus x? So what exactly am I getting close to? I'm getting close to 5 from the left. Think of the number line. Here is 5. I'm approaching it from the left-hand side, so I'm coming at it from here. So I'm coming at it from this direction. Pick a number that's really close to 5 on this side. That could be something like 4.9, maybe something like 4.99, 4.99, and so on and so forth. You can get really, really close to 5. If I take a number like this, let's say 4.999, and if I plug that in to x there, because that's what x is doing. X is approaching 5 from the left, meaning 5 from this side, from the smaller end of things. So let's say 4.999. If I plug 4.999 there, it's going to be 1 divided by, well, watch. As this gets closer to 5, let's call it 4.9999. I can get really close to 5. And the closer that I get to 5 here, the smaller that this is. So what I'm saying is this denominator is going to be really, 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 really small. And when I take 1 and I divide it by a super small number, it's essentially approaching infinity. Let me wave my hands over this and let me just do some magic. What if I was approaching 5 from the positive side, or I should say from the right side? So now I'm approaching 5 from this direction. Let's say a number here. That number could be something like 5.1, 5.01, 5.001. I could get really, really, really close to 5 from this side. But if I were to take these numbers and plug them into there, it'd be something like 1 over. It's still a small number, but this time that number is going to be a negative small. Here it was a positive small. I should have said that. Here it's a really small negative, which essentially means that you'd be approaching a negative infinity.